If your dinner plan looks boring, you're in the right kitchen. Fresh Crunch is 5 minutes away. Say hello to golden chicken fries. Start with bite-sized chicken pieces ready to crisp. Use thighs for juicier, more flavorful chicken pieces. Or choose breast for leaner, quick-cooking pieces tonight. Toss in salt, black pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, and a splash of lemon. Simple marinade, big flavor in minutes. Use extra all-purpose flour for base today. Add paprika for smoky color and flavor punch. A little cayenne and a pinch of baking powder for extra crisp. Shake off excess flour before frying gently now. For extra crunch, double coat the chicken today. Dip into egg wash quickly for binding now. Finish with another flour coat for extra crunch. Trust me, it's worth the extra step here. Drop into hot oil sizzling at medium-high heat. Or use a 400-degree air fryer for crisp results. Cook 2 to 4 minutes per side for color. Cook until golden and sizzling and crispy all over. While it cooks, whip up a quick dip. Spoon in mayo as creamy base for dip now. Add ketchup, a squirt of hot sauce, and a squeeze of lemon. Rest the chicken 1 minute so juices settle. Don't skip. Plate with fresh herbs for aroma and color. Add the dip in a small bowl alongside. Boom! Crunchy, juicy chicken fries. Try this tonight, then tag someone who needs crispy salvation and share.